Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Kavita Kapoor. Today I am there before you again with another revision video of chapter number 3 of the book Snapshots. In this chapter, you will read about the person whose name is Ranga, who completed his further studies from the city Bangalore and came back to his village, which name is Koshali. His father profession is accountant. His father is the only accountant in his village, and he was the only person who sent his son to the city Bangalore to complete his further studies. So everybody in the village was so excited to see the Rangas after coming back home. They wanted to see the changes in the Ranga. So when Ranga came back home after completing his studies, means so many people, every person of the village and the crowd was there near the house of the Ranga. They wanted to see the changes in the Ranga, that how did the Ranga change, has his communication skills changed, has his dressing sense changed, everything they wanted to see regarding Ranga. But when they came home and when the Ranga came outside from his home, he joined his hands and said namaskar to everybody, and they all were surprised to see that the person is just same, he has not changed at all, and they were very happy to see the sanskar given by his father to him. They were so happy to see all those things because there were the qualities. Before going to the city to complete his further studies, he had so many qualities in him, and everybody wanted to see that has he changed his qualities, has his features changed. But when they saw that the person is still same, he hasn't changed at all, so they were so happy to see that. But there was a thought in Ranga's mind that I will not get married in my life. I hate marriage. I don't want to get married. But when the narrator saw this thing, and when he heard this thing that Ranga doesn't want to get married, at this time he was determined and he fixed that thing in his mind that I will find a suitable girl for the person Ranga. He is very intelligent and nice person, because after going to the city he has not changed himself at all. So I will find a suitable girl for the Ranga, and he has to get married. I am taking the responsibility of the marriage of Ranga, and he will have to get married soon. After that, he started meeting Ranga. He started knowing his views, that what does he think about the marriage, and he found a girl whose name is Ratna. Ratna's age was not that much. He was 13 or 14 years old at that time. So he wanted Ranga to meet the Ratna, but Ranga was not ready to meet the Ratna. So somehow, incidentally, he called the Ranga into the Ratna's house where the Ratna was singing the song, and he got influenced. He got impressed by listening the song sung by the Ranga. Sung by the Ratna. He really wanted to meet the Ratna as soon as possible, because at that time he just listened the voice of the Ratna. He wanted to see that girl who was singing the song. So when he saw the girl Ratna, he fall in love with Ratna. At that time he couldn't tell this thing to the narrator that I love Ratna and I want to marry her. And then the narrator started kidding and said, Ratna is already married, what will you do of Ratna? But after that he told the Ranga that Ratna is not married, you can get married with her. So after that, after some time, they got to the priest, and the priest told him that you can get married soon with the person whose name starts with the letter R. So you should get married with Ratna. So both of the person got married, and they were blessed with the baby boy, and they lived happily with each other. So that was a love story, or that was the marriage story of Ranga. That was all in this chapter. But to make it more clear, you will have to read the chapter thoroughly. Okay, still if you feel any doubt, any problem, you can call me or text me anytime. I will solve your problem. But you will have to keep in touch with the books so that you can prepare yourself for the exams also. All the best, and prepare yourself for the assignment also. I can give you the assignment of this chapter anytime. All the best.